Yeah, that's the actual time, and I've just activated the morning life support system. We're all getting ready to head out to Annapolis. It's stupid 30 in the morning, and we're tired, and we're thinking maybe we'll just take up hiking instead. The girls are upstairs getting ready, and the truck's about ready to get packed up. Heading out.
Our grumpy asses going to Annapolis boat show. We woke up at 5 and it's 6:15. And
We got up at 5. We haven't woken up yet.
Yeah, we're sleep driving and sleep drinking and not sleep eating yet. I don't know if you can see. There's Jolie. There she is.
I can't even call this morning.
A lot of stuff we like about the Bali. The only thing I don't really like is that the bridge is, or the helm is separate from the cockpit. I like the pads up on the fly bridge.
And this is
I love that forward cockpit.
And
This is the Bali 40, or the 4.1, so it's 40 feet 6 inches. Really nice interior. I love the open cockpit salon. Apparently the girls are enjoying the forward cockpit with the window that opens into the galley. Jolie's having a little trouble with the rolling. She'd get used to that in no time though.
there is a storm coming.
Yeah.
It's a little rolly right now.
You know, a couple of days on the boat she'd be dancing out here.
Music going?
Get the music going.
Is that on us or is that on
It's on you.
Oh, the whole time we were talking?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sitting up on the fly bridge. It's very comfortable. Great view.
That's right.
And Jolie's found her home. So we're thinking this is probably not a good time to get out on the docks. We're going to take a drive out to Washington and do a drive-by at the house. Too late to get in and see the visitor center or anything, but we figure it's better than sitting in a hotel room.
I'm so freaking excited. We're getting to go to Washington, and I I get to see the White House. And Dave's concentrating driving, and that's why he's not talking, but I seem to be the motor mouth when this thing is on. Edit. He's going to be editing all of this. Right, Dave?
Nah, I'm just gonna let it roll.
Ooh.
The giant alien ship that should be hovering over it. Can you even turn left here?
Yeah, got it. Pictures. So
Jolie's busy on her phone.
Yeah, and we are in, what's this restaurant called?
Buddy's Crabs and Ribs.
Yeah.
Right outside the marina.
For
And this is our third stop. Fourth stop for restaurants.
And I have ordered the rib basket. I got the most expensive thing on the menu, the lobster, because I'm a brat. Because I bought you a lobster. This is what I have to live with.
And I got
Oh,
ribs.
boo-hoo. And can I get the twin lobster? Absolutely.
She wants you to make sure they're twins, though. Not just siblings. So day one of the show, seeing some beautiful boats. Lisa got to see the White House as we whipped past it in bumper-to-bumper traffic.
It was crazy traffic. I mean, like, insane traffic. Can this be done now?
It can be edited.
Edited.
It can't be edited. I'm doing the editing.
It's unfortunate.
It is for you.
I'll scrap you. Go meet all these people. Whatever. Beat you up. Whatever. With your own face. You were nervous about even leaving the restaurant because we sat down. So
Tell
don't
them
even.
about the pretty people in uniform.
Oh yes.
Oh, God.
Oh yes. Naval officers in their
officers,
blues.
candidates.
In their blues with the cap. There's about 4 of them.
No, there's like 7.
Yeah, they go walking by and.
There was about a dozen.
And both Jolie and I are like, oh my goodness. And Dave's like, wah. Dave is not impressed, but Jolie thought that they were pretty.
They were pretty. You're not wrong.
It looked really good. It looked cool. It did. It did. It did.
Yes, dear. So, what did we like?
Well,
The white ones.
well,
If it had a vowel in the name, I was down.
we liked the one custom one.
The St. Francis was really nice, and it had a separate bunk for the dog right beside one of the master cabin
It was
bunks.
gorgeous.
So
It had-
Jolie liked that.
It had leather interior, like in the seats.
The second favorite was the Bali 4-1,
Oh, nice boat.
which I think is Jolie's favorite.
Definitely.
The only problem was is that
It has a fly bridge.
Yeah, it's fly bridge, and there's no, you can't have a conversation with anybody in the cockpit. And the bimini was a soft bimini.
And it was short. I couldn't stand up at the helm.
Yeah,
And I'm only 6 feet tall.
it was in very nice boat though.
The other thing I liked about the Bali was the forward cockpit. That was really
Yeah, that
nice
was
with
really
the window
sweet.
that opened right into the galley.
And then the number one pick at this show
Everyone.
was the Fontaine Peugeot.
They had a 40 and a
Fontaine Peugeot.
42 and a 47.
Yeah, and we were on both of them.
The 47 is gorgeous. What a nice boat.
Yeah.
Even I'll attest to that. And I hate boats.
What did you like about the Fontaine Peugeot?
I like the layout. I like the helm. I like almost everything about it. Lots of room. It's really well appointed.
The owner's side was
the owner's
gorgeous.
suite's really nice, yeah.
Really nice.
The owner's hull
Yeah.
is really nice.
Was that the one with the shower that you had to walk around?
Yes.
Oh my god, that was just stunning. But it was a lot of boat.
Yep.
47.
We weren't keen on the lagoon. They had a lagoon 42, and
The mast in the middle of the salon, for no apparent reason, just doesn't cut it for us, no matter how shiny and chrome you make it.
More fingerprints to wipe off.
We're going to go to Florida this summer, and Gary has said he'll take us on a bunch of boats and get our feet wet, and we're looking forward to it because this was a huge eye-opener. Seeing them online isn't the same as seeing them in person.
Nothing.
Not even close. We thought that we would need a bigger boat, a 48 or at least, and that's just not true. There's plenty of room on the 40. There's the 42. We didn't go on the 38, did we?
Yeah, we did.
We went on one of the 38s?
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't go on that little wee one. Yeah, even the 38 would work.
Yeah.
It wasn't ideal, but it would work. So,
Somewhere
all kinds of
between
potential.
40 and 45 would be the best suited.
Yep. Jolie has lounging down to a science. She's very good at it. It's her forte.
What language is that?
English.